There are two ways to go to Collavate's login page. First, you can directly type Collavate's URL, which is document.collavate.com. And second, you can go to Collavate's homepage, which is just collavate.com. So here is the Collavate homepage. On here, if you have an account already, you can just click on login. If not, you can click sign up. When you click sign up, it'll bring you to this page. So on here, you can read the table and decide which version of Collavate you would like to use. Since I have an account already, I'll click login. Because I'm already logged in with my Google account, clicking the login link directly brought me here. If not, you'll be prompted with the login page, and there you can log in with your Google account. And once you log in, you can go to your profile and customize your settings by clicking these menus.